ग्रामं सुखं समृद्धिं च सर्वतो योजयेत प्रिये वर्धते सुखदं तत्र सर्वाः प्रीतिरयं भवेत्. These shlokas celebrate the harmonious, prosperous, and joyful life in a village, highlighting its significance as a source of contentment and well being. The Karde village, a tranquil gem in Dapoli Ratnagiri, which is known as the Bhumi of Bharat Ratna. Karde village stands as a testament to the rustic charm and tranquil beauty of rural India. Situated along the picturesque Konkan coast, Karde is renowned for its pristine beaches, lush greenery, and warm hospitality, making it a favored destination for travelers seeking a peaceful retreat away from the hustle and bustle of the city life. One of the primary attractions of Karde village is its stunning coastal line, adorned with golden sands and fringed by swaying coconut palms. Beyond its natural beauty, Karde village boasts a rich cultural heritage deeply rooted in the tradition of the Konkan region. The warmth and hospitality of the villagers further enhance the cultural experience, offering visitors a glimpse into the authentic rural lifestyle of Maharashtra. For the adventurous souls, Karde offers ample opportunities for exploration and adventure. One can embark on nature trails through lush forest, go trekking in the nearby hills, or indulge in water sports such as parasailing, banana boat rides, and jet ski. The village is also paradise for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Seafood lovers are in for a treat as the village is renowned for its fresh catch of fish, crabs, and prawns, prepared in traditional Konkani style with aromatic spices and coconut milk. Sweet modak is famous dessert offered everywhere in the village along with the desi ghee. Local vegetables like colocasia curry, tender cashew nut curry, lablab usri, kothimir vadi, and puranpoli are signature dishes of the village Karde. Accommodation options in Karde village range from cozy beach resorts and guest houses to homestays with warm hospitality offered by local families. Karde village can ensure economic sustainability by promoting local entrepreneurship and fostering diverse economic activities. This can include supporting traditional industries like fishing, agriculture, and value addition like todi, while also encouraging sustainable tourism ventures. Initiatives such as providing training and access to microfinance for local entrepreneurs can help stimulate economic growth within the village. ग्रामो देवतया पूर्णः सुखशान्तिः परिष्कृतः स्थानं सुखस्य धर्मस्य सुखायैव न संशयः. The village filled with divinity, happiness and tranquility, where virtues are well established, is indeed a place of joy. Thank you.